Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nik Nasuha binti Nik Muhammad Ramzi and my metric number is 261219. And today I will present about the effect of private investment on employment creation in Malaysia. First of all, I will describe about the background of the study. First of all, the purpose of this study is to evaluate the influence of private investment on job creation in Malaysia. Bank Malaysia (BNM) said that private investment is major contributor to Malaysia economic growth. In addition, it is important for creating job in Malaysia. This study is important because private sector is a major driver of growth in employment and output. At an aggregate level, the private investment contribute to economic growth of developing countries. Based on the analysis on this study, by using regression technique, the estimation result were obtained. The inflow of private investment are statistically significant to explain the level of employment on job creation. And at the end of our observation, we will describe about the effect of the private investment on on employment creation in Malaysia.
My name is Norshikina binti Muhammad Azhar and my metric number is 261197. I will present about the objective of this study. The first objective is to evaluate the private investment performance in Malaysia. And the second objective is to analyze the relationship between private investment and employment creation in Malaysia. Next, this table shows descriptive statistics of the variables which consist of dependent variable that shown by employment creation and independent variable shown by private investment. From this table, we can see the relationship between the mean and standard deviation from these two variables. The standard deviation for employment creation is 2,431.40 is more high compared to the mean, which is only 10,407.44, which indicates that the data are more spread out. However, we can see the mean for private investment is high, which is 27.05, rather than its standard deviation, which is 16.99. This depicted that low standard deviation means the data are clustered around the mean.
Hi, my name is Norshikina binti Rizwan with metric number 261073. I will continue the presentation with the finding of correlation analysis and regression analysis. We use correlation analysis to study the strength of a relationship between two variables, which is private investment and employment creation. This particular type of analysis is useful for us to establish if there are possible connection between these variables. From the finding, we can see that here is a strong positive correlation between employment and private investment because its value is close to positive 1. In the other words, private employment and investment have a relationship of 85.83%. The last one is regression analysis. We use regression analysis to describe the relationship between a set of independent variables and the dependent variable. Regression analysis produces a regression equation where there are coefficients represent the relationship between independent variable and the dependent variable. From the regression statistic, multiple R is the correlation between actual and predicted values of the dependent variable, which is 0.85147. R square, also known as the coefficient of determination, is 0.72501. The adjusted R square is 0.7144, and there is standard error, which is 1274.1707. For this analysis, we only use 28 observations from the year 1990 to 2018. Then we get y equal to 7203.55 plus 119.998. From the regression equation, we can conclude that the value of employment is 7203.55 million people when private investment or X is 0. Thus, there are still have employment even though there is no private investment. That's all from us. Thank you.